In the shimmer of dawn, Nairobi's calling. Emerald hills bathed in gold as day is sprawling. Hard sun chain where concrete kisses the sky. Save a life's banquet, let your spirit soar high. Jambo Nairobi, leap into the thrill. Kenya's heartbeat whispers, feel the wildness spill.
Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Jambo Nairobi. My name is Andrew. Today we are at Oloolua Forest. It is located in Karen, that is the suburbs of Nairobi. And this particular forest has mostly indigenous trees. So trees that grew naturally, they were not planted by man. And they have been here for hundreds and hundreds of years. So we've come to enjoy the scenery, take a walk, and we want to walk with you. So let's go. So we've just come to some signs over here. It's showing that there's a waterfall to my right, there's a bamboo forest, and there's a cave. It's my first time here, so I don't know where to go, but we'll use the signs. And there's another sign also over there, so I don't know which way to go first, but let us see. There's a bike trail. They have bikes. There's a bike rental. Let's just read this other sign. You see, Oloolua Nature Trail. There's a 10-kilometer trail and there's a 5-kilometer trail, which is still here. And they're saying no alcohol, no smoking, no single-use plastic, just like many other forests in Kenya. And the other locations you can see, there's an eagle hide, there's a bamboo rest point, Bagathi River waterfall, there's a cave. We'll try and reach the cave. Papyrus swamp, nature walk, camping, team building. Look at this. Take away nothing but fresh air. Nice slogan. Leave nothing but footprints. Yeah. So I was reading this. They're saying kindly stay on designated paths, and there's a wildfire prevention, so only light fires at designated areas. Ensure you have fully extinguished open fires after use, because people come here for camping as well. You come and maybe cook your meat, or if it's too cold you can put the fire to warm yourselves up. Yeah, but for us to protect the forest, we have to be responsible as well. And from here I can hear the river, so that calming sound of the river is really awesome when you come, to trails like this. Yeah. So there's a bench. The initials IPR I saw at the gate. It's actually Institute of Primate Research. So I think this is an organization that deals with research of monkeys, all primates. Monkeys. What other primates do you know of? List them down in the comment. So we've come to another location, and I can see from a signpost written to the waterfall. So it's to my left right now. There are benches here, and there's this structure. It's written Crowned Eagle Hide. I can even, those are the monkeys. Monkeys on the trees. I thought it's an eagle. So maybe this is where people sit to look at the eagles. I don't know. For those who have been here, what kind of activities do you usually find at this place? Because right now there's no one here and we're not seeing any eagle. I've just seen a monkey. So let's head to the waterfall. As we head to the waterfalls, we've managed to encounter some monkeys. He's scared of us, he's running away. There's another one here. Let me see if the camera will capture it. There you go. At the center of the frame you can see it. Hope they don't attack us. Hellos.
Hi.
You can see the waterfall from here?
Yeah, we are down to go chini.
Oh, sawa. Here is our beautiful waterfall. I love the calming sounds from waterfalls. One can just sit here, relax, take a few minutes, deep breaths in and out. Very relaxing. As we continue with our trail, we've just come from the waterfall. So right here there's a sign saying the bamboo forest and the cave is on this side. So that's where I'll head to show you guys. Hizi si zile matawi za kuwasha mtu. These things can terrorize you. In our mother tongue, we call them duraku. Just one ant can terrorize you. So just imagine having a bunch of these ants crawling up your body and they all attack at once. It's crazy. If anyone knows the scientific name of these ants, please let us know in the comments. For me, I just know them as duraku, how my grandma used to call them. Back home, we also have, it's a moisty place, it's a rainy place, so durakus thrive a lot. Look at this one with the big head. This thing is usually super painful. Super painful. Yeah, all right. Let's continue with the journey. We also have some butterflies here. It's just hiding. Here it is. There you go. The white one. Where is it going? There you go. So this place also has hundreds of bird species. We hope we'll get to see some as we continue with the trail. This is a beautiful forest. Look at this. Very dense, so green. Very beautiful. So there's another trail I've encountered. It's going down where the stream is. I feel like let's go and explore. Let's go and see what is over there. It's really steep. There's a bench here, but we don't have access to the stream. I can hear it, but we don't have access to it. There are logs over here that are blocking the way for us to go through. But there must be another route. There must be another route. But also this is just a nice place to relax. Let me just go through this barrier and see what we will find on the other side. Okay. Oh, you can access the stream actually from here. Oh, there's a bench. There's a bench here. Here's the stream I was talking about. And there's also another bench over there. Let's go check it out. So apart from the water here, the stream, we also have bamboo trees. There you go. So on the bamboo trees, we can see names of people. People usually come and write their names just as a remembrance that they visited Oloolua forest. And there are so many names. Look at this. So many names. People have their own reasons why they write names, maybe on trees or places where they can come years later and find them. What is your reason? Why would you write your name here for you or for you and your loved one? Please let us know. Let us know in the comments. And where have you ever written your name and it's still there to date? Coming from the stream, I'm going up now. Really steep slope. Oh, my knees. The video that I've just shown you of the bamboos, so the bamboo cliffs. Yeah, so this side to the cave. Yeah, to the caves. Okay. Yeah, this place is scary. It's really scary and spooky, and it has a very bad smell. I don't know if it's the gases or something. It's very dark. So I think one can go all the way, but I'll not be going there. It's really spooky. Really spooky. But it's a nice adventure. It has a very weird, strange smell, strong smell. It's like some certain kind of chemical or something. Yeah, let's go before Bigfoot gets us. And from the cave, I want to head up this staircase, up this way. Like I said, I've never been here before, so I don't know what's ahead after I finish this trail. But this forest is big. It's big, green, so green, and a very nice place to come and chill and relax. I can see some butterflies also. I don't know if we'll be able to get a close-up of them, but we'll try, because they're just flying randomly and very fast. Yeah, but this is an awesome place to come and chill, come and relax. So I can hear birds chirping, and I'm hopeful we'll be able to get to see them. With my camera, I'm not sure if we can get a close-up because it doesn't zoom so well, but let's be hopeful and see if we can get to see some birds, maybe more butterflies. The butterflies are flying all over the place, but I'm hopeful we'll be able to get a close-up. Yeah. So I've come to a T-junction. It doesn't clearly say what is where or which direction heads to what particular place. But on my left, this is what I can see. And on my right, this is what I can see. So I'll just choose the trail on the right. I'm looking for the campsites. So we've come to another signpost. This is also like a T-junction, to the left, to the right. So this sign says on my left there's a kibanda. Kibanda should be like a kiosk or a small shop. Let's see if it is a kibanda for real. So let's go to my left. Come to a wooden bridge as we head to the kiosk. Whew. Here, if one is not careful, they can fall. Okay, if someone is scared of heights, this would not be a place to pass through. Here we are.
My name is Ilame Kiratemo. Huwa tuna hire bikes na games. For bikes inakuanga 200 for 1 hour. Games kama Hajari, Ludo na Monopoly inakuwa 100 for 1 hour. Bike tuko nayo mingi ni 30. Yeah, hizo ndio tuko nayo for now. Chess na Scrabble huwa tuna hire na 100 bob. So ina take for 1 hour. Yeah, ukihaya. Kitu mimi naweza ambia watu wakuje, tuta welcome vizuri, wachukue bike na watakuwa safe. Yeah.
So we've decided to take some bikes today. Today we're going for a bike ride to go through the trails. Let's see how it will be. It's been a while since I rode a bike. I know this is going to be interesting. So making sure first that the pressure is at its best. Hey, your bike ni ngumu. Tataboa. Breki ya nyuma ni gani? Oh. Iko sawa. Sawa. So guys, we already did the bike ride and now we want to do archery. I've never done this before, first time. So let me see if I am a sharpshooter.
So we have the bow here and this is the arrow. So the arrow hits on the board with this soft part here. It's like a suction pump. So once it hits here, it sticks on a number. So whatever point you get, the circle you hit, you look at the color and then you check the points against the color. So 10 is a bullseye, and then if you hit outside the red part here, then you get no point. So the arrow goes in through here like this, and then it sticks to this string like that. And then now once you are ready, it's straight like that. If you are right-handed, you hold the bow with the left hand, and then you pull with the left, with your right hand actually. So if I'm facing this way, let me face the board so that I cannot hit someone. So if I'm standing like this, then I have to stand in this position like that, arc my hand a bit so you can see, and then I'll have to bring the bow or the level of the arrow to the level of my eye, and then I just need to come and pull like this and then let it go, like just like that.
So here we go, my attempt at archery. It's called archery, right? Archery ilitoa pia hiyo jina. Okay, so where am I supposed to stand?
You can stand from here. Yeah, because the further you go, the harder you pull. So we prefer somebody to start closer.
Okay.
So that now, once you get used to it, you can get further.
Okay. So legs apart, slight arc, and release when I'm ready.
So now you have to pull with some strength, so that at least you can.
Okay.
Because
So
if you pull with
little strength. I missed the first one.
so you know, just repeat it.
Okay.
Repeat it.
Sawa. Unaona hata vile ni handle kama katoto kadogo. First time.
So ile kitu tunafaa kufanya ni hii part, unaona hii edge hapa. Inafaa ukivuta kama umesimama hapa. Ukivuta inakuja karibu hapa. This edge here. So ikuja karibu hapa.
There.
Like that. And then make sure at least iangalie juu hivyo. Straight.
Okay. Here we go. 10 bullseye. Nishaanza kushika. Sawa. Okay. Here we go, my second attempt. I want to try and get the 10. Let me see. That's a
7.
Not bad. Here we go.
That's 9. That's a good one.
Got a 9. Mdogo tu.
That's 6.
Okay. Oh, ndio inaenda chini kama nisipopull.
Kama umejavuta sana.
Inaenda chini. Okay. Okay.
Now
I have the cheat code. Let me try. So 10, blocking 10. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
imekaribia hapa.
Ya kutetemeka. Tetemeka mkono. Na mtu anachoka vidole. Here we go. Let me try. Second try. Okay. Na napima vizuri, sijui kwa nini inaenda juu. I think by the time I release na shake. But that's a 9.
That's a 9.
Very awesome. I got a 9.
Hiyo ni 8. So 23.
Mkono ina shake.
Ina shake.
Unaona ukivuta hivi, mkono inatingika hivi. Kama jaribu na the other arm.
Unajaribu
Na right. Haya, let me see. Sawa. Hold family. Okay, here we go. Nikiswitch mkono inakataa. Haya, sawa. Bora ijaenda nje. Here we go.
That's 7.
But najaribu.
Unajaribu. So far so good.
Here goes my third attempt. I'll try and do better in this one. So have it straight. Here you go. Ready?
That's 9.
Hey, inaweza baki kwa nini? Tarzan. That was close. That was close. Almost hit bullseye. All right. Ama nifanye kazi stereo vile wanafanyanga. Hey! Ustero ndio inabamba. Karibia tu. Ai!
9. This time was much better.
Nimechoka vidole. But this was better, si ndio?
Yeah.
Nimejaribu. Nimechezea 8989. Very awesome. So for the last round, the third round, I almost hit bullseye, which is number 10, but I got an 8 and a 9. Were you counting the scores really? You didn't count this time because it's jealous. But that was awesome. That was so much fun. So here are some beautiful butterflies. There's a dark colored one with like turquoise blue. And then there are, is it white or cream? Let me see if I can zoom. Yes, there you go. There are a lot of butterflies in this forest. They're really flying away. It's hard to get them on camera because they're flying away so fast. So we've come across a sign, camping site, and we want to check it out and show you guys where you can come and camp with your family and friends. As we were heading to the campsite, we found more ants, and these ones are many. Just zoom in. Look at that. So very many ants. Just getting into the camping site. We have tents here, so people come here for different causes. You can come just have fun with your friends. You can come cook, come for team building. Yeah. I can see some guys are cooking, they've put some fire.
Oh, my name is Sakaja Tyson from My Corn Administration. My Corn Administration is a community-based organization whereby we deal with creating awareness among young ladies, more especially concerning menstruation health and other issues on the same field. So today we are here at Oloolua Nature Trail, trying to create awareness of concerning the menstruation health and dignity among our girls. So today we are raising pads and awareness. As we are here, we are contributing some money to raise pads so that we can distribute them to other ladies and young girls and young mothers in the society. Currently, we are based in Kabiria, whereby we have our center where we collect our pads. We have a pad bank in Kabiria where we collect our pads and they store them. Then we distribute them to different communities. We have visited several parts of this country, including Mombasa, Machakos, Kajiado, and other many places that we cannot mention. To start this, we just try to encourage the young mothers and the ladies that at least we care about them. And that's why we do this, at least to support those who can't afford these pads. Every weekend, we try to feed the community, whereby we supply the community with food. Every Saturday, we give food to the community. Those children around the community come there, they eat, and then the remaining they carry to eat with their families. So that's we normally do that on every weekend, every month. Apart from that, we also support students, especially right now we have 10 kids at the Suburbs Primary School in Kajiado West, whereby we support them with termly school fees so that at least we can keep them at school. First thing we do is making sure that we keep our child at school. A school is a safe space for children. So keeping them in school, at least we have taken a step ahead and are trying to elevate the community. In that way, at least most students can spend time in school rather than in the village, because you know in the villages there are so many challenges in the village whereby early pregnancies can occur. So that's why we keep every girl and every boy in school at least at their young age. On those who cannot afford the school fees, we support them through paying them for the school fees, timely, and the other necessities they need like school uniforms, books, and everything they need, including exam materials. So that's all. As I said earlier, you can reach us out in every social media platform, My Corn Administration, and our number is 0798 659335. Thank you so much as you prepare to support.
So we're through with Oloolua Forest. It's been amazing. I'm panting. I've just come from quite a slope as we go to the exit. It's been fun. It's been really amazing. I'd really recommend for you guys to come here. If you love nature trails, you love things like archery, listening to the waterfalls, bike riding, yeah, this is an awesome place to come and just have fun, or just come and chill, come for your picnic. It's an amazing place. It's an amazing place for sure.
Jambo Nairobi.com, where adventures blossom and imagine.